get these letters all cut out. I have some different size letters too. And then I want to try to print off some numbers too. And eventually I'll probably end up having my whole Raptors all covered with stencils. I'm going to try to make stencils for stuff that I know I'll probably make it a lot of. But then the stuff I won't be making a lot of, I'll just still keep printing the papers off and doing it that way. W. Hope everybody out there is doing good. Having a nice day. I've been ready for this warm weather to get back, but I don't think it's going to last too long. We probably got another 3 or 4 weeks, I think, from what my phone says. We got 3 or 4 more weeks of 30s and 40s coming back again for a while. I just know this here warming up and getting cold again, and warming up, getting cold again, messes my allergies all up, and any pains I have makes it worse. I am 63 years old. I just turned 63 in January, so starting to get those little aches and pains, and it don't help that I injured my back on a job. Like I said before, I started woodworking in 2018, but now with my injured back and stuff, I can't really do a whole lot of that, the big stuff anymore. So I started watching some woodworking videos, and then these scroll saw videos started coming up. I thought that looked pretty interesting. make some nice stuff. And I started watching Marty's Ramblings and Artist and Pirate, different guys like that. And Marty's really been an inspiration on doing a lot of this stuff. He gives me some feedback that I enjoy, and it really helps me out. So Marty, here's a shout out to you. Thank you for all the feedback and talking. It really helps. I get, every once in a while I'll get a little disappointed and aggravated on how the channel is doing, but after watching Marty and talking to Marty and stuff, all that stuff don't matter. It's just coming out here and enjoying what I like to do, and maybe it'll help, maybe I can help somebody else, even if it's just like Marty, he says, if it's just laughing at me. I think this is the last letter Z.